In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to rank your video on YouTube. That is to say, you're going to learn how to do SEO for your YouTube video using ChatGPT. What is SEO? SEO simply means search engine optimization. The things that you can do to make your video rank on YouTube. So we're going to use ChatGPT to get keywords. We're going to use it to get tags, hashtags, and video title for your YouTube video. With this method, you don't need to worry paying for any SEO tool. Just use this method and you will be able to rank your videos on YouTube. So there are two ways you can go about this. Number one is get different titles of the video you want to create from YouTube. The video you want to create, no matter the niche, there are people that must have actually posted something about that video. So just go to YouTube. For example, I want to create a video on free AI image upscaler. So I'm going to come on YouTube. I'm going to check videos that are already ranking with this particular title. Then I'll copy like 4 or 5 of them. So for your own, depending on your niche, any niche at all, just search for the video you want to create to see if it is existing on YouTube. If you find similar videos or similar topics to what you want to create or you have already created, just copy those topics, like 4 or 5 of them. Then you come to your notepad, paste them. You now give an instruction using these 4 titles above as samples. Generate 5 compelling titles for your own YouTube video, free AI image upscaler. I brought 4 different titles of videos ranking with this keyword, free AI image upscaler. Then I asked ChatGPT to use these 4 titles and give me 5 new titles for the same video idea. Alright, then I said write 10 keywords. You can ask for 25. I said write 10 tags separated by comma, write 5 hashtags to rank this video on YouTube. So once I copy this instruction, I'll give it to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will give me titles, long keywords, tags, and hashtags. You can as well ask ChatGPT to give you description if you want. Just say write a 100-word description on this topic. So let's try this. I will copy this and I will go to ChatGPT and I will paste this instruction. Remember, you can use this on your phone or on your computer. Just follow the instruction. It works the same way. You can see that ChatGPT has given us 5 new topics. Then we have 10 long tail keywords. Then these are our tags, and we have 5 hashtags. So depending on the number you want, you just give that instruction. And these keywords, tags, hashtags, and long tail keywords will help your video rank if you use it rightly. You add the tags where the tags ought to be. You add the hashtag in your description. You choose a title, and you can add the long tail keywords in your tag section and in your description as well. Then another way is by just telling ChatGPT about your video and ask it to give you 5, 10, 2, 3 compelling titles. Instead of giving it a sample title, just tell it about your video. Here I will say generate 5 compelling titles for a YouTube video on YouTube thumbnail font. Write 10 long tail keywords, 10 tags, and 5 hashtags. In this particular case, I did not give it any sample video title. I just told it straight what my video is all about and asked it to give me a compelling title. So I'm going to paste it and click enter. Remember, this works in your phone and in your computer. It has given me 5 compelling titles for my YouTube video that talks about YouTube thumbnail font. Okay, it has given me long tail keywords, hashtags, and tags that I can use. You can as well ask for description and it's going to give you the description. So I will say write a 100-word description for the topic. You can see it has given us the description. So with this, all you need to do is go to your YouTube and add it to your description, add the hashtags, the tags, the long tail keywords, and choose a title. So this is how to use ChatGPT for SEO to get keywords, tags, hashtags, description, and title for your video. I hope this is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment.